Do you have to report all income to the IRS? What happens if you don't report all income on your tax return? How do you report taxable income? Those are the questions that I'm going to answer in this quick video today. So, hello everyone. My name is Jessica Long and I'm an enrolled agent by the Internal Revenue Services, and I'm also a financial coach. And on this channel, I share strategies and tips on winning with your money and lowering your tax bill. So, do you have to report all income to the IRS? This question is one of the top IRS audit triggers that can get you into a lot of trouble. Yes, you do have to report all income that you receive to the IRS. This problem is one of the top IRS red flags that they look out for when checking your tax return. They will check what you have reported against what is in their system and determine your actual tax bill, even income that is excluded by law. Even though you will not be taxed on any income that you receive that is excluded by law, you still have to report that you received this income on your tax return. So again, even income that is taxed by law must still be reported by law on your tax return. So I hope you guys understand that out there. So let's go a little bit further into this question of do you have to report all income to the IRS by quickly talking about a short list of the most common forms of income. But, however, this list is not all inclusive. So this doesn't include all forms of income, just a short common list. So the first thing is job income, also known as W-2 income that you receive when you work for someone else. Independent contractor work, whether you receive a 1099 or not. Royalty income, Uber Eats food delivery income, Uber taxi income when you're delivering people instead of food. Income from investments, rental income, interest income. You also need to report money you receive from selling a home. Alimony you receive. You even have to report gambling winnings. So if you're out there gambling at the casino or anything like that, you still have to report those winnings. Babysitting income, PayPal income if you sell stuff online. So you have to report all income, every piece of money that came into your household to the IRS, no matter what form the income came in, cash, check, or money order. So don't get caught up in hiding cash sales if you happen to own a business as well, by not reporting these cash sales on a business income tax return, because IRS also checks those things as well. Question number 2, what happens if you don't report all income on your tax return? So let me be straightforward with you guys out there. Avoiding taxes has only 3 possible outcomes. And I think we kind of all know these, but I'm going to tell you guys anyway. Number 1, you can be audited. Number 2, penalties and interest. Number 3, possible jail time. So lying on a tax return or not reporting all the income on a tax return, the IRS considers this lying on a tax return, can get you into lots of trouble that you don't really want to open up for yourself. So you don't want to find yourself going through an IRS audit, the audit process, and receiving tons of IRS audit letters and stress every time you open up your mailbox because of the question in your mind of, do you have to report all income to the IRS? So I hope I am, pretty much explaining to you guys that, you do have to report all income. Hope you guys are understanding these things out there. Question number 3, how do you report taxable income? You need to report all income on a tax return every year because the IRS is established, the IRS has an established deadline every year. So most people usually report income on forms 1040 or 1040 SR if you are a senior citizen or, something like that. They have a new, they have that new senior citizen form. So if you know that you will not be able to file your taxes on time for whatever reason, the IRS will still not excuse you from reporting. If you know you will not make the tax reporting deadline, you should file an extension form, which is form 4868, or have your tax professional do that, so that you don't get into trouble for not meeting the deadline. However, don't forget that if you owe taxes, This does not excuse you from not paying on time. They will hold you accountable for payment of those taxes starting from the original deadline, which is usually in April. So this is a good time to talk about tax planning and getting tax advice and tax tips from a tax professional. Having a good relationship with a knowledgeable tax person will save you headaches and nightmares and worries if you choose to seek a professional way ahead of time before tax season. And if you know you're going to be going through a major, changes coming up in your financial situations, please seek a tax professional. I promise you, planning ahead will always help you to sleep well at night. So whether you pick up the phone and reach out to me, or if you reach out to another tax professional, please get the help that you need. So don't let all these things happen to you and ruin your financial life and your financial future just because you were not aware of a tax reporting obligation. So did you guys file your taxes out there? Did you report all your income? What was your experience with the IRS when you did not report all your income? So leave your comments and questions below. We're a community over here at my channel. We share and we help each other out over here. So share your experience below, kind of help each other out. So if you need any further help on the topic of do you have to report all income to the IRS, leave your questions below the video. Or if you are looking for a top-notch financial coach or need tax help, don't hesitate to contact me at jessica@longfinancialwellness.com. And I will see you guys in the next video.